right, honey. So you're gonna are you gonna update this coffee table? Is that the plan?
Yeah, I'm just gonna update it. I'm going to just make it lighter. I'm planning to just give it a coat of a lighter paint finish, and I'm gonna use some Vaseline on some of the corners so that it has kind of a chipped look. So it looks a little bit distressed, but not overly distressed. And then what I think I'm going to do is put some foam on the top so that it's, you know, soft enough that you can put your feet up on. And it's a great coffee table. I love the size. I just want to update it a bit.
Cool. You're gonna do it right here in the living room.
I really am.
Wow, outrageous. All right, so second coat, huh?
Yeah.
And you're using the chalk paint, is that correct?
I am using Americana Decor chalk paint, but right now, because of COVID, really hard to find anything, so my choices were limited, and fortunately this is the color I wanted, so we're able to do it. But yeah, you can get this at, I got this at a local store, but you can get this chalk paint at, I believe Amazon carries it. So.
And what's that brush you're using?
I am using a chalk paint brush, and you can use it as chalk paint or wax or just a round bristle brush.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So what do you, so you're making it look old?
Oh, I'm just taking off the paint on the corners because I want it to look, you know, old and distressed a little bit. Yeah, that's a bright light.
Oh yeah. Then after you do that, you're gonna wax it?
Yep, get it all waxed.
And do you wipe the wax off or leave it on?
No, you leave it on. You give it a coat of wax. You buff it.
Gotcha.
And you leave the wax on.
Cool. All right, so now you're doing the wax.
Yeah. So it's just a clear cream wax. Just gonna wax this over before we turn it upright, so we don't have to worry about the legs again.
And this is the stuff right here.
Yep, just a cream wax.
So you're sanding some imperfections?
Yeah, I had just had a large scratch right there.
Yeah.
So I don't mind if it has a little bit of scratching, but I just wanted to smooth it out a little bit.
Gotcha. So you're starting on your second coat of 3, huh?
Yeah.
That's the plan?
Yeah, that's the plan.
So what you doing now?
I am distressing it.
So you're just getting some of the paint off.
Yep.
Make it look old, right?
Right.
All right, so you got the 3 coats now you're doing, and you got the distressing done, so now you're waxing the whole thing, and that'll be it until you do the finish, right?
Right, until I finish the top.
And you were saying before that wax just stays on, you don't wipe it off, or do you wipe it off?
No, I'm going to buff it so that it's nice and smooth and shiny, but no, it doesn't come out.
Gotcha. All right, so you're filling in. What are you doing to the drawers here?
The drawer handles or drawer pulls that we're going to be using have 2 screws to screw them into the drawer, and so I need to fill this in, and can't really find a dowel that's small enough, so I'm just using these skewers, these food skewers, and I'm just scoring them right where I need them.
That's creative.
Yeah. So then I'm going to leave these on the inside, and then I'm just going to use wood filler.
So they'll look like this one down here.
Yeah. Yeah, so I've scored it with my scissors. You can see that. And now I'm just going to break it off. Just like that. Perfect.
I see. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You just fill that in and then just sand it down?
Yeah. Just gonna fill it in, let it dry, and sand it down. I don't need it to be like invisible because there's gonna be a handle that goes over it, but I want it to look good. There we go.
What, you got to smooth that out?
Huh?
You just smooth it out? Yeah, I see.
Well, it just got pushed out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I only need just to camouflage the hole. I don't need to get rid of it completely because the new thing will cover over the top. The new pole.
Mm-hmm. You do what, 3 coats on this too, obviously?
Yes, yes.
So, new handles.
Yeah, apothecary.
Ooh.
Yep, just measuring out, making sure I got all I need. This is going to be too big.
Is it? Just barely do it and just start it.
Yeah.
Just start it. There you go. Yeah. Just getting them started.
Yeah.
There we go. Now, where did you get these handles at, honey?
These I got from Amazon.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
And would those run you?
They were like $7 or
Oh,
something like that.
nice.
Yeah. So for 5 of them, I think I got $7. But it says that it was for 5 of them, but there was like 7 or 8 in the package, and plenty of little screws to come with them. But
I
still
thought
trying
that
to
was-
figure out if I want to put upholstery on the top or not.
Yeah. Looks really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, the extra screws actually were smart on their part. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
But, yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah, I like it.
Good job.